back, everybody. Welcome back to the Hustle Homebody channel. This is Dropship Dad and
Ecom Mom.
And this is the 12 Days of Christmas series. And this is actually the last video. The other video is talking about some sales and a little bit of numbers.
Right.
And since it's the end of the year, almost top of the year, it's only right. I think it's right for us to talk about taxes. So
yeah.
You know. Yeah, so this is about how do we pay taxes and
yes.
And about taxes. So we're not no tax experts
at all.
We're not no financial advisors, none of that.
None of
that. I'm saying, so that's just a disclaimer.
But we're just telling you what we
our
do,
experience, with taxes. So talk about when we first started. When we first started
drop shipping. We started like in the summer of 17. And
fourth quarter.
Yeah, that was the
not December. You said summer.
We did start in the summer. August.
Okay, that is well.
We started in August.
August 28th. That's still summer. That's fall though, right?
No, well, we started at my birthday. September? We started like around my birthday, which was technically the summer still. Okay, so we started in the summer of 17, right. And so it was just before fourth quarter. Just before it. Fourth quarter is what? September, October. So about 2 months before fourth quarter started, we generated a good amount of sales for that, and then fourth quarter came, and it was definitely where it needed to be at, and then taxes.
Right, no, anything but the taxes.
No, I was talking about sales to get to taxes. So like,
okay. But with them sales though. People paid us taxes. We charge sales tax in our eBay store, and we charge sales tax because we was paying sales tax when we bought the items.
Every time we purchased it, at that time we were not exempt, so we were paying sales tax. So it's like as if you go in a store and you buy something, you're paying sales tax because you bought it as a person in that state. And that's how it was for us. We purchased it, so we paid sales tax. So we made the people pay sales tax. But eBay no longer allows you to charge sales tax anymore. I guess maybe at some point,
Okay.
Yeah, like when you first start. Until they send you a message, they're gonna send you an email and tell you you can no longer do it. And when they
unless you show them proof of why you should, why you can charge sales tax.
Right.
So we live in the state of Ohio. That's where our business is. So that's where it's registered. It's registered in the state of Ohio. So we could charge sales tax in Ohio, because we have a sales tax certificate.
This is the only state, but you can charge in multiple states. You just have to.
My bad. I don't know if I just kind of got over the place. We were talking about our first store. So our first store, we didn't have no.
We weren't exempt.
Yeah, we wasn't sales tax exempt.
Right, at all. So we paid taxes along the year. Like, so as we sold it, basically, so, at the end of the year, most of the time, when people hear about taxes, you're paying some taxes. We didn't have to pay when January came or February, because we had paid taxes from the summer all the way through because we weren't exempt. So we weren't even doing the process of collecting all the money and then paying back at the end of the year. We weren't at that. We were just starting out, so we weren't exempt. I don't even know if we knew all the way about being exempt. We didn't know the whole process. We knew about being exempt. But
it was a little scary, man.
Yeah, we were just trying to figure it out to know if that's what we wanted to do. And then, so we paid our sales tax throughout the year. Throughout those sales. Every time we got a sale, we paid sales tax, so we didn't have to worry about it. This year, we will be paying taxes because we were exempt all year for our stores. And so now we'll go through the process of paying sales tax this year.
Yeah, at the end of the year.
At the end of the year.
For our business. But, so that's, yeah. I don't want nobody to get confused. I'll be getting confused my darn self. But, so that's the tax on the business. We have to pay Ohio, the taxes that we charge for people who purchase items from us in Ohio. We take that tax and give it straight to Ohio.
Right.
And then, as she mentioned, at the end of the year, we're going to do that because we have a LLC now. They have everything official now.
Yes, it's all a business.
First time around, we didn't have Basically, we're just treating it like a hustle. You know what I mean? Just getting that money. So
we're filling it out, basically.
So,
we didn't know what it was. We didn't know what it entailed. We knew something, but we had not felt it out ourselves. We knew what people were saying, and other people who done it talked about. But we felt it out, and it was everything that it was supposed to be. So.
But then that's tax exempt from Walmart, from Amazon. You can get it from Home Depot as well. And from Home Depot as well. And so you just, and the certificate that you get from your state, you basically would give that to the suppliers, and then every time you go to order, you'll see the tax, but once you get over to the end, they take the taxes off.
Right.
So that's cool. And then if you first starting off though, you can now, first off, you can get the tax exempt, so you don't have to wait.
No.
Because we didn't say that either, so you don't have to
wait. You
wait.
don't have to wait at all. You can do that. That's something you can do immediately. It depends on your situation and how you want to do it. Like we said, we are not tax gurus or anything like that, or financial advisors or anything like that. So it's a choice when or where or if you even get it. But we would say if we did it all over again, we probably would do it from the beginning, just because, now we know that it's a business and it's something we would treat it as such from the very, very beginning. So I think if we ever did it again, that's how we would do it again. Like we would. Yeah,
just like we did it this time.
Yeah, this time around we did it exactly that way.
Yeah, we had it when we first started with our second store.
Yeah.
Our second go around. But and the big reason to do is because eBay is a little bit more competitive now, because more and more dropshippers are tax exempt. So you want to be tax exempt so you can be able to compete.
Right, price wise, because if you're tax exempt, then you're not gonna worry about dropping it a few cents to get that sale. Like, you're gonna be like, I can drop my price because I'm tax exempt. I'm not really losing anything. I was already at my profit margin. I go down a tad bit and still be in a decentable profit margin, and then you can keep doing it, and you're not even thinking about it. You want to just do it. I would advise you to do it.
All right, for sure, y'all. All right, we out of here, man. Before the video get too long.
Catch
y'all in the in the new year, man. Let's get it.